welcome to Storytime with Fairfield County Library. My name is Miss Nina and I am so excited for Storytime today. It's summer reading, so we're starting something new this week. We are now doing hybrid story times. That means that starting today, we are going to have in-person story times at the library and upload video story times here. The in-person story times are going to start at the same time the videos go up. So for you guys, that means 4 p.m. on Wednesdays. Okay, now that that's out of the way, are you guys ready for story time? Okay, this week our theme is fish. That means this week we are going to read some stories about fish swimming around and getting into trouble. All right, our first book is Henny, Penny, Lenny, Denny, and Mike by Cynthia Rylant, illustrated by Mike Austin, and published by Beach Lane Books. Henny, Penny, Lenny, Denny, and Mike are 5 fish who met at the fish store. They are fat friends. A little girl brought them home and plopped them into the tank. Plop, 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 plop. Fab! The fish tank life is heaven. Henny loves the orange gravel. Penny loves the diver. Lenny loves the rock. Denny loves the pirate ship. And Mike loves the bubbles. Nobody loves the snail, but that's okay. Henny, Penny, Lenny, Denny, and Mike think that being a fish is so fab. They smack kisses to the little girl every day. There's only one day when the fish tank life is not so fab. It is... Clean the fish tank day. They are unceremoniously plopped into a bowl. A bowl! Then the little girl makes the orange gravel, the diver, the pirate ship, the rock, and the whole big fish tank just sparkle. Wow! Everything is so crisp. The diver is impeccable. The ship is ship-shape, but alas, the snail still ignored. Can fish tank life be any more perfect than this? Why, yes, because... Plop. Why, hello, clownfish. The clownfish is such a clown. He starts telling joke after joke, and Henny, Penny, Lenny, Denny, and Mike laugh so hard their bubbles fizz up the whole tank. But wait, there's more. Plop! An angelfish. Henny, Penny, Lenny, Denny, and Mike stop yucking it up, and they just stare. She is so beautiful. But wait, there's more. fairy castle. Henny, Penny, Lenny, Denny, and Mike forget all about clowns and angels. They are all about the fairy castle. It is enchanting. It is ornamental. It is exotic. It is... a trap! Help! Lenny is stuck! Oh no, says Henny, Penny, Denny, and Mike. What to do? The clownfish tries to lighten the mood with a joke. The angelfish begins to pray, yet nothing unsticks Lenny. Wait. What's this? It is a snail on a mission. A quick-thinking snail, who everyone had ignored, slides right up to Lenny and with one fell suck, Lenny is unstuck. The tank explodes into cheers. So fab. That was Henny, Penny, Lenny, Denny, and Mike. What'd you guys think? Have you ever had a fish tank before? What kind of fish did you have, and what were their names? Okay, our next book is Swimmy by Leo Lionni, published by Alfred A. Knopf. A happy school of little fish lived in a corner of the sea somewhere. They were all red. Only one of them was as black as a mussel shell. He swam faster than his brothers and sisters. His name was Swimmy. One bad day, a tuna fish, swift, fierce, and very hungry, came darting through the waves. In one gulp, he swallowed all the little red fish. Only Swimmy escaped. He swam away in the deep, wet world. He was scared, lonely, and very sad. But the sea was full of wonderful creatures, and as he swam from marvel to marvel, Swimmy was happy again. He saw a Medusa made of rainbow jelly. A lobster who walked about like a water moving machine. strange fish pulled by an invisible thread. A forest of seaweeds growing from sugar candy rocks. An eel whose tail was almost too far away to remember. And sea anemones who looked like pink palm trees swaying in the wind. Then, hidden in the dark shade of rocks and waves, he saw a school of little fish, just like his own. "Let's go and swim and play and see things," he said happily. "We can't," said the little red fish. "The big fish will eat us all." "But you can't just lie there," said Swimmy. "You must think of something." Swimmy thought and thought and thought. Then suddenly he said, "I have it. We are going to swim all together like the biggest fish in the sea." He taught them to swim close together, each in his own place. And when they had learned to swim like one giant fish, he said, "I'll be the eye." And so they swam in the cool morning water and in the midday sun and chased the big fish away. Okay, that was Swimmy. What'd you guys think? If you could be a school of fish, what kind of shape would you make? All right, everybody, thank you for coming to Storytime. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean we have to be done with Storytime. If you come down to the library this week, you can pick up a Storytime kit, which are these fun-filled activity kits that we made to go with the books you read today. Each kit comes with a coloring sheet, a craft, and a tasty recipe that you can make with your grown-ups. This week, our craft is this guy, a floating fish. To get a kit, you need to come to the Fairfield County Library and look for some crates in the children's section. Now, we have 2 crates, one for Mondays and one for Wednesdays. So, you want to make sure to grab the right kits, or you could end up with something completely different than what I just showed you. The kits for this story time are in the group B crate. They're the blue ones. New kits come out whenever there's a new story time, but we might have some kits left from last week if you missed it. It never hurts to ask one of the librarians to go check. Maybe ask for me, Miss Nina. Okay, everybody, thank you for joining me for story time. Once again, my name is Miss Nina, and I hope to see you in the library this week to pick up a story time kit. It's time to say goodbye, but I look forward to seeing you all next time. Bye!